Hi everybody and welcome back to Crafting with Gertie, and today we'll be making a card together. So let's get crack-a-lacking. So you'll need card base, which is 5 7/8 by 8 1/4 scored 4 1/8. Piece of pink, which is 3 7/8 by 5 5/8. Piece of red, which is 3 6/8 by 5 1/2. And two ovals, one in gold, one in white. I have put the red with the pink, because obviously there's only red and red. I thought it'd highlight it a little bit. We'll also need your VersaFine and some gold embossing powder. Oh, we'll stamp the lady out first, let it dry a little bit. You can use whatever you want. That out of the way. Yeah, mine looks icky. I've been saying this for God knows how long, like, but it still works. You might not be able to see it. Hopefully you can a little bit. Even if it's just a little bit, that's all that matters. And some gold embossing powder. Done, dusted. Lid on. Heat tool. Get it warmed up first. There we go. That's that done. I'll take no Rosie. Being a madam, as per usual. Uh-oh. Oh yeah. Alright, I thought I put the wrong thing on one. That's why you did it. Uh-oh. This. And this and this. I'll just go over it like that. That's it. That's it. I had done it the other side, but I didn't particularly like that one. So, but this one I like. Your nose. Right, so, and there you go. I'll put little bits of pearls on. I'll do it now, shall I? I'll put pearls on now, might as well. I'll just put one in here. And that's it, there you go. Hope you like. Like, share, subscribe, would be awesome. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up. And I'll see you all soon. Bye.